You asked me at what times do shows start in this Rancho, Texas, Lanzarote Park Zoo in Canary Islands. So it opens at 9:30 a.m. The first show is about the parrots. It's at 10:45. Second one 11:30 for the dolphins. Then we have 12:30 for sea lions, and at 1 p.m. Eagles and birds like that. And then it repeats the parrots, papagayos at 1:30, the dolphins at 1:45 p.m., sea lions at 2:30, and then birds at 3 o'clock, and papagayos, the parrots, start at 4 p.m. So yeah, plan your trip using this formula.